Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. This is actually just one question to Mr. Ortonio. And this is out of my curiosity. Earlier, you confirmed that all admin and finance matters dumadaan sa'yo.
That's correct po, Your
Correct.
Honor.
Also, you said that you were the head of HR in Davao, the LGU.
That's correct po, Your Honor.
Correct. In this regard, I'm sure you would know, what is the employment status of Colonel La Chica in the office of the Vice President?
Colonel Lachica po is the group commander of the VP-SPG, and he is not an employee of the OVP, but he has an order coming from the AFP designating him as the group commander for the Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group.
Therefore, designation.
There
You're
is an
saying he is not employed. He does not have any employment status in the office of the Vice President.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Well, that's all I wanted to know, Mr. President. Thank you.
Point well taken, Senator Judge Soto. Next to interject is Senator Erwin Tulfo. You may proceed, sir. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Ginoong Testigo, nabasa niyo po ba na mabuti at naintindihan ang nilalaman ng Joint Memorandum Circular, sir?
Good morning, sir. Yes, Your Honor, I was able to read it, and based on my understanding, I was able to understand the contents of the JMC.
Nung kayo po ay pinadalahan na ng Notice of Disallowance ng COA, nabasa niyo rin po ba kung bakit kayo po pinadalhan ng Notice of Disallowance? Kailangan niyo pong sagutin yung kanilang AOM.
Yes po, for the 2022 and 2023.
2022. So naintindihan po ninyo na sinasabi doon ng COA na while confidential funds allow for the payment of rewards to civilian information, yung COA po has ruled that this cannot be structured as broad distribution of medicines, food, grocery packs, or household goods. And that kung ito po ay reward, dapat po specific targeted financial payouts lamang po at hindi po pwedeng ibili ng mga gamot o ng mga upuan bilang reward. Naintindihan niyo po ba yun?
Sir, based on my understanding, sir, that is the initial observation coming from the COA, and we were able to provide comment on that on our replies.
Tama. Pero alam niyo po ba ng Office of the Vice President is a civilian office? Ibig sabihin, hindi po sila military, therefore, hindi po sila maaaring mag-possess ng formal national security or law enforcement mandate. Sabi po ng COA guidelines, sir, again, specifically, the operational intelligence gathering is the domain of military, police, and specialized enforcement bodies. Hindi po kasama ang VP PSPG po roon. Did you know that?
Sir, based on my understanding, sir, sa pagkakaintindi ko po sa JMC is that the confidential funds is allowed for civilian agencies, sir, and in coordination with the different law enforcing agencies. Yun po yung pagkakaintindi ko
Yun
po.
po ang pagkakaintindi ho ninyo. Pero iba po yung sinasabi po ng COA sa inyo. Kaya po kayo may notice of disallowance. Kaya po sinasabi ng COA at ini-issue po sa inyo formal notice of disallowance na 73.3 million ng OVP December 2022 confidential spending. Yung pang dahilan na major reason for this allowance was the 24.93 million pesos spent on medicines and 34.857 million spent on various goods were improperly categorized under the guise of intelligence rewards. Alam niyo po ba yun? Kaya pinadalhan po kayo ng COA, sir.
Sir, based on what I can recall po, sir, on the notice of disallowance that was sent to our office, what they required, sir, was that the submission of an intelligence report to support the payment of those rewards. So yun po yung pagkakaintindi ko regarding sa letter.
So nakita po ninyo na may problem, sir. May problem. Kaya kayo pinagpapaliwanag.
there is an issue po, sir, that we needed
There's
to
an
comply.
issue. Okay. Panghuli na lamang, Mr. Presiding Officer, one last question. So, sino po
You may
mga
proceed.
nag-imbento at saan galing yung mga alias po na yun? Is that only Colonel La Chica o sa grupo ninyo, sila Chippy McDonald, sila Pusa, Aso, etc. May sila Pagong. Who invented those?
Sir, I do not know, sir. Number one, sir, I cannot answer, sir, if invented, sir. But as to the AR, sir, I cannot provide information, sir, because I do not have any participation in the implementation of the confidential activities.
Thank you, Mr. Witness. Presiding Officer, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo. Senator Judge Pangilinan is recognized. You have 2 minutes, sir. You may proceed when you're ready.
Maraming salamat. Magandang umaga, Ginoong Ortonio.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, pwede nyo bang ipaliwanag yung naging proseso, no? Dahil base sa testimonya ni Acosta, ni Ginang Acosta at sa inyo, yung testimonya nyo. From December 2022 to September 2023, a total of 122 million pesos in cash was distributed to perhaps hundreds of informants after doing surveillance work, was given rewards, and they purchased medicines. Tama po?
Based on the information that was shared to me by the security officer,
That's
sir.
correct. Yun yung nangyari.
Based on the information, sir.
Bakit gamot? Would you know?
Sir, I would not know, sir, but although based on the information that was shared to me by the security officer, those were parang yun po yung representation or yun daw po yung inilapit ng mga informants or agents that they needed at the time.
Bilang reward.
Yes, as a
Pero
form
pera
of-
ang binigay, sabi ninyo. No?
Yes, sir.
Pero
Based-
hindi nyo alam kung talagang gamot ang binili.
I would
Dahil-
have no idea, sir, on the implementation, sir.
Dahil walang resibo. Acknowledgement receipt meron.
Acknowledgement receipt, sir.
You were head of the BAC, no? Bids and Awards.
Bids and awards.
So
committee,
familiar
sir.
ka, pagka regular purchases, dapat may bidding ang medicines.
Correct, sir.
Di ba?
Yes, sir.
So, kung yun ang pinaliwanag sa'yo, sa loob ng 9 na buwan, hindi mo ba tinanong o hindi mo ba sinita na dapat pagka medicines, dapat bidding? Kasi ako ang head ng Bids and Awards. Alam ko yan eh.
Sir, I was only made aware of the concern regarding the medicines and food supplies, sir, when the AOM, when we received the AOM, which was around October of 2023, sir. So that was parang almost 9 months after the 2022 na implementation for the confidential funds.
Okay. So, hindi mo alam kung bakit gamot, no? Sinabi lang sa'yo, no? Pero bilang in charge ng financial services, yun na nga, hindi mo rin talaga alam kung yung 122 million ay gamot ang binili.
For that purpose, sir, I would have no personal
Yes.
knowledge, sir.
At sa usapin naman ng supplies, sabi, purchase of supplies. Anong supplies yun? Would you know?
I do not know of, I'm not familiar, sir, kung ano po yung mga supplies na
So
ni-request.
hindi mo
po,
rin
sir.
alam na yung 112 million pesos worth of goods. Anong goods yun?
Again, sir, I would have no personal knowledge, sir, on the specifics of the supplies, sir.
You know, you have 2 master's degrees. You're a graduate of Ateneo. Would you consider this usual?
As far as sa
I
pagkaka...
mean, now that you know, di ba sabi nga nila, hindsight, 2020. Vision is always 2020 in hindsight. So ganitong, para sa surveillance, binigyan ng gamot na 122 million, yung mga informant, sila na lang daw ang bibili ng gamot. Is this usual? In terms of using government funds? And
based,
you being a BAC head?
Based on my understanding po, sir, at saka sa pagkakaintindi ko po, sir, it went through the the process that is allowable by law. So
So it's usual for you. It's
Um,
usual. That's just my question. Do you find this usual? And you say yes or no. So you find this process na medicines ang binibigay bilang reward sa mga informant pero hindi medicines, pera, sila bibili ng medicines, 122 million in a period of 9 months. For you, that's usual.
Kung sa pagkakaintindi ko po, sir, and based po sa understanding ko po sa JMC, sir, I would say so, sir.
Okay. No further questions at this time.
Kayo po ay nag-reply sa AOM from COA for the check number 244027 dated 20 December 2022. Ano po yung proseso na ginagawa nyo once kayo po ay nakatanggap ng AOM or disallowance?
Good morning, Your Honor. When we receive AOMs within the office, once we receive it, we inform of course, the Chief of Staff and of course also the head of agency of the AOM. We send them a copy for their information.
Do you investigate?
Once meron na pong instruction to kung sino po yung magko-conduct ng review, then that's the time po that we conduct a necessary review for
Do you ask
the reply.
questions?
Yes, sir, to the concerned na mga
To the concerned.
concerned na mga divisions.
What questions do you ask, for example?
Usually, sir, we ask point per point on what is
Point per point, okay.
point per point what is indicated in the AOM so
Yes.
that we can also address the concerns point by point.
Very good. Now, isa sa mga AOM ay observation ng COA, kulang sa mga dokumento. Halimbawa, itong sinabi rito, 170,000 at marami to by the millions. 170,000 for the payment of reward, open and closed medicines. Did you not ask, ano ba talaga to? Anong klaseng medicine ang binili? Kasi ang pagkakalam ko, meron kayong pera from confidential funds, binigay nyo doon sa informant para siya nang bumili ng medisina.
Yes, sir. Yun po
Did you
yung-
ask kung anong medisina binili para sa medisina bibili nung informant, yung pera?
When the time na nag-consult po ako with the security officer, sir, I did not ask anymore on the specifics, but I asked on paano po yung naging process nila in terms of noong pag-release ng funds for the informants or for the agents.
Sir, you are a very highly educated person from prestigious schools. Come on, it doesn't make sense. It defies logic. Tatanungin mo dapat to protect Sarah kasi very close ka kay Sarah. Teka muna, anong klaseng mga medisina ang binili? Nasaan yung reseta? Kasi mali mo, baka namin hindi binili ng medisina, baka binili ng drugs, whatever, baka may nagbulsa ng pera. Dapat, yun kasi yung kailangan ng, COA, di ba? Resibo.
At the time po, sir, when I consulted with the security officer, sir, I was not able to ask anymore on
Why
the
not?
details, sir.
It's part of your job. In fact, pumirma ka doon sa pag-reply mo sa AOM.
I asked, sir,
So
kung ano
pumirma
yung
ka
process.
nakapikit. Yes, sir.
No, sir, hindi naman po na nakapikit, sir, because nagtanong naman po ako sa security officer namin, sir, on how it was released or implemented on the ground. So, kung ano po yung nabigay na information, sir, yun po yung nailagay ko sa pag-draft po ng reply to the AOM.
Hindi mo rin tinanong bakit pare-pareho yung signature sa different names ayon sa NBI, forensic. Tapos pare-pareho yung handwriting sa different names. Parang isang tao lang nag-fill up, meron pa nga walang signature at nag-receive ng by the hundreds of thousands each.
Sir,
You didn't ask? Bakit mo tinanong? Hindi mo tinanong, bakit pusa? Bakit ito si Pagong? Pinagtatawanan tayo ng tao, etc. Why? Did you not ask?
Sir, at the time, sir, hindi ko po nakita yung mga acknowledgement receipts, sir. I was only made aware of the acknowledgement receipt, sir, when it was already shown during the HOR na mga hearings, sir.
Hindi kasi pag nagtanong ng attachment, then di ba sabi mo you ask questions point by point, you investigate, then kinuha mo sana yung mga dokumento and then pinakita sa iyo and then nagtanong ka point by point like you said. And then you're a very educated person. You should have asked a lot of questions to satisfy dun sa request ng COA.
Sir, I
Kasi
did not-
tulad yan, pusa, pagong. Imposible hindi mo nakita yan. Tapos pare-pare yung pirma sa isang same handwritings para sa napakaraming pangalan at saka iisang pirma sa napakaraming pangalan according to the NBA forensic. You didn't ask?
Sir, at the time po, sir, I did not see the acknowledgement receipts.
Come
po,
on, sir. Like I said, napakatalino mong tao sa credentials mo. Dating professor, Ateneo, UP, di ba? And then, now, parang, sorry sir, parang nagmaang-maangang ka. Again, is it blind loyalty? Thank you po. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Are you going for lunch or the rostrum, Attorney Senator Judge Joel? Okay. I thought you were headed towards lunch already. Senator Judge Villanueva, as the last Senator Judge to interject before we break for lunch. You have 2 minutes, sir. You may proceed.
Thank you. Mr. Witness, sinita po kayo ng COA dun sa pag-approve nyo ng disbursement voucher, no? Yung 125 million. At ang explanation nyo, delegated po sa inyo pag more than 1 million. Is that correct?
Yes po, sir. There is an office order, sir.
Ano yung extent of your authority? Ministerial approval or may responsibility din kayo na determine if this is lawful, properly supported, and authorized expenditure bago kayo pumirma?
There is also a level of checking, sir, if documentary attachments have been complied, sir, prior to the affixing my signature, sir.
Like,
Kung sa mga disbursement vouchers, sir, dapat merong mga supporting documents on the reasons for the request po, sir.
like,
One of which, sir, say for example, there is an activity design, sir, which indicates kung ano yung mga activities to be done and the expenses for those activities.
okay, nung winidraw po yung salapi, 125 million, sabi po ni Ms. Acosta, you accompanied her. Alam niyo po na after nung winidraw yung salapi, diretso po pinlace ito sa custody ni Colonel Lachica. Alam niyo po yan?
At the time, sir, I did not know, sir, kung ano yung arrangement nila ni Miss Gina Acosta, sir. I just accompanied her to the bank, sir, as per her request.
So you have no knowledge.
I have no knowledge po, sir.
You're the disbursement officer. You don't have any knowledge. So wala ding written authority, no? Anyway, dun po sa testimony ni Ms. Acosta, sabi po niya, si Colonel Lachica was not bonded. Yet the confidential funds were released to him because he was supposedly na siya yung mag-implement ng activities on the ground. As Assistant Chief of Staff, as disbursement voucher signatory, officially approving the DVs. Aware po ba kayo dito sa ganitong arrangement?
I had no personal knowledge po, sir, on that arrangement, sir.
Kasi kung ganun, parang sinasabi nyo na parang ministerial duty lang po yung sa inyo. Although kanina sabi nyo hindi po. Kasi why would you allow that, no? Then next question, Asek, kayo po mismo yung pumipirma dun sa November 30, 2023 OVP response to COA stating that all transactions involving the 125 million pesos were valid, proper, and regular, and explaining that the 40 million medical and food aid was given to persons conducting nationwide surveillance operations. Bago po ninyo ginawa, may factual representation po ba kayo sa COA? Ano po yung inyong ginawa, yung personal po ninyo na verify bago niyo po ito ginawa?
Sorry, sir. The question again, sir. Just to be clarified lang, sir.
Ulitin ko po yung question. Nung nag-respond po kayo dun sa COA that all transactions involving the 125 million were valid, proper, and regular, in-explain nyo din po yung 40 million medical and food aid was given to persons conducting nationwide surveillance operations. Bago po ninyo ito ginawa, yung factual representation po na iyon sa Commission on Audit, ano po yung inyong personal na ginawa to verify all of this?
I consulted po yung our security officer on how the implementation was done on the field, sir. And what was relayed to me, sir, yun po yung nilagay ko sa draft for the reply,
Ano
sir.
po yung hiningi nyo?
Information, sir, on how it was implemented, sir. So I asked if I can remember it right, sir, because it was quite a long time ago, sir. I asked kung paano yung manner of release of the funds on the ground, sir, and especially yung sa medical and food aid, sir. And what was relayed to me, sir, was that the funds were released to the informants or the agents through cash, and then based on their representation that they would need these funds for the purchase of medicines and supplies.
Binanggit nyo po dun sa AOM na lumabas na notice of suspension, wala pong nakalagay na misuse of funds. Right? So, ano po yung ginawa po ninyo after po lumabas ito? Despite the fact na wala ho kasi yung nakalagay na misuse of funds, pero nakalagay po doon yung lacking of documentary records to support yung ginawa po ninyo. Ano po yung inyong ginawa para makorek? From example, from AOM to before ma-issue yung notice of suspension, before ma-issue yung notice of disallowance. Ano po yung inyong ginawa to suffice yung hinahanap po ng Commission on Audit?
Based doon po sa mga points that were raised in the AOM, we provided answers for
But you
those.
also, before you answer, presiding officer, you agree na yung binanggit niyo po, no, there's no such word misuse of funds doon sa mga AOM, NS,
Yes, sir.
ND.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige po.
So we provided the documents that were required of us, sir, in support on the issues or concerns raised by the Commission on Audit.
And apparently, hindi po sila pumayag at hindi sila nag-agree because kulang pa rin po yung documents.
Based po sa NS, sir, ND, sir, meron pa pong mga hinihingi ang COA, sir. And that's why, as a response to the ND, sir, we also supplied those information.
Salamat po, salamat po. Gusto ko lang hong sabihin that indeed yung confidentiality may limit what can be disclosed to the public, but it cannot erase yung accountability within the government. Salamat po,